Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Hindi class. So I hope you read the lesson up to taught portion, and you may understood the learned portion also. So in the last class, we were saying that Krishna Saubati was saying about her childhood and the difference came in this generation. So there's a big difference between her generation and our generation in dressing and food, interest towards food, everything has changed. Then she was saying she was getting a chance, or she was allowed timing for going to shop to buy brown bread, and there they used to buy chocolates. She never used to stand and eat in the shop. She brings the chocolate to her house and she keeps in a sideboard, and at night after dinner she enjoys her chocolate in her bed. Up to there we have learned in the last class. So we will continue the lesson. शिमला के काफल की बहुत याद आते हैं, खट्टे मीठे कुछ एकदम लाल, कुछ गुलाबी, रस भरी कसमल, सोचकर ही मुंह में पानी भर आए। चेस्टनट एक और गजब की चीज, आग पर भूने जाते और फिर छिलके उतारकर मुंह में। शिमला के काफल is a type of fruit which is seen in Shimla. Okay, kafal is a type of fruit which is seen in Shimla. Okay, बहुत याद आते हैं. In her childhood, she used to get kafal fruits from the Shimla. When she was in Shimla, she used to get that, and it was like khatte meethe, khatta meetha, sour and sweet. That fruit tastes like sour and sweet. एकदम लाल, कुछ गुलाबी, रस भरी कसमल. See, it was like that fruit looks like lal, kuch gulabi, some rose. So the color of the fruit was somewhat like a red and rose. Then ras bhari. Ras bhari is a fruit, golden berry. It is golden berry. Golden berry. Raspberry means golden berry, and kasmal itself, that also is a type of fruit. Okay, so in these type of fruits are available in hilly areas. So she says that I remember the fruits like kafal, raspberry and kasmal. Okay, kafal was like somewhat red and rose in color. It tastes some sour and sweet. Then she says about golden berry, means raspberry. Then she says about kasmal. Kasmal also is a type of fruit which was available in Shimla. सोचकर ही मुंह में पानी भर आए, and by thinking those fruits, still my mouth starts to water. Chestnut एक और गजब की चीज है, and chestnut is an awesome fruit. She loves to eat chestnut too. Chestnut. Okay, it's a type of nut. She likes to eat that also. And how she used to have the chestnut is, आग पर भूने जाते थे. They used to fry in the fire. She used to that chestnut they used to first they used to fry, then, or you can say roast. She used to roast the chestnut. Then she used to remove the shells, and they used to eat. So Here she says about the fruits and nut which used to get in Shimla. Okay. Then she says chane zor garam or anar dane ka churna. Chane zor garam, it's a type of a snacks like bhel puri. You used to get it here, and mainly it is the snacks which is available in the North India. So same like that. Here chane zor garam, it's a chatpat snacks. Or anar dane ki ka churna. Anar dane ka churna means it's like masala. Okay, the masala which they use for the chana zor garam. Chana means chickpeas. Okay, so chane zor garam. See, this snacks was made by chickpeas, and they spread some masala, that anardana. Churna means the masala of anardana, and chane zor garam ki pudiya jo tab thi wo aaj bhi nazar aati hai. And she says that in those days we used to get this chana zor garam, and still it is available. Still we can see on the streets. Okay. Nazar aati hai, it can be seen. Where you can see in the streets and all, still you can see this chane zor garam. And pudiya means it's a packet, like peanuts and all you have seen, no? The one person during that vendor during evening time, we were saying that chane zor garam ki pudiya, the packet of chane zor garam, jo tab thi, which was there in those days, वो अब भी नजर आती है. Still we can see those type of packets. It is available. And पुराने कागजों से बनाई हुई इस पुड़िया में निरा हाथ का कमाल है. And now she is saying about the speciality of this pudiya. The pudiya means packet. So what is the speciality of that pudiya is? Like she is saying that it is the art of an awesome hand. Some special person, what do you say? It's an art. It is like an expert person has made that type of packet. Here and all you have seen that peanuts we gets in a packet, like corn type packet, right? That corn type packet is called as pudiya. Pudiya means anything which is covered with paper, that you can say as packet. Or so पुराने कागजों से बनाई हुई इस पुड़िया में निरा हाथ का कमाल है. निरा हाथ का कमाल मीन्स इट्स अ वर्क ऑफ एन ऑसम हैंड. सम पर्सन who was expert to make these type of corn type packet. Okay, that person's hand is there to make such packets. You have seen that the persons who sell these type of nuts, here and all we can see peanut seller is there, no? Here during evening time he used to sell peanuts, dry roasted peanuts they used to sell on the streets, and when we go to buy, he will just within seconds he will make the packet with the paper, like corn shape packet, within seconds he will make. So how he is able to do it in within seconds? Because he is expert in that. He has got many practice in that. So here the writer, this Krishna Saubati also is saying, पुराने कागजों से बनाई हुई इस पुड़िया में निरा हाथ का कमाल है. So the packets which was made with the old papers. See, when we sell the old paper, these type of people they used to buy and they used to use it for the making packets. So those packets are made with the old paper, and in that making an awesome person's hand is there. ओके, निरा हाथ का कमाल है. नीचे से तिरछी लपटते हुए ऊपर से इतनी चौड़ी की चाहे आसानी से हथेली पर पहुंच जाए. And now she is saying how it looks like. नीचे से तिरछी, तिरछी means slanting. From down it is like a slanting. Okay, so here she is saying that नीचे से tirchi. From down it was like slanting, like this. And lepate hue, by folding. Lepatna means folding. So like for with the paper, from downside it will be slanting and they will fold the paper like this. Lepate hue, ऊपर से इतनी चौड़ी. And while going top, when they use the paper, they fold the paper from bottom, it will be slanting, and when going top, it becomes wide. Okay. So नीचे से तिरछी, लपटते हुए ऊपर से इतनी चौड़ी. It is wide enough. See, from the bottom part, it is slanting. It is the width is very narrow, and by going top, it becomes more wide, and so that we can take the chana, we can take the chickpeas in our hand easily. Okay. So नीचे से तिरछी, लपटते हुए ऊपर से इतनी चौड़ी कि चने आसानी से हथेली पर पहुंच जाए. हथेली means hand. So that packet was made in such a way that from the bottom it was like slanting, and the width was very narrow, and by going top, and as the paper folds, it becomes wide at the top, and so that they can take the chana easily. Okay. एक वक्त था जब फिल्म का गाना, once at that time, in those days there was a film and the movie name is Kranti. Okay, film name is Kranti, and Kranti name, the film name is not mentioned here, but they have here they have mentioned about a song which was there in that movie, and that movie's name is Kranti. So what was the song in those days which was very famous, like Chana Zor Garam Babu, Melaya Mazedar, Chana Zor Garam. So that is a song which was played in that movie, and that song was related to this Chana Zor Garam. So she was saying about the Chana Zor Garam, specialty of the Chana Zor Garam, which was available in those days and still it is available, and in which type of packet it was sold. And in this contest, she has mentioned a song which was there in the movie, and that movie's name is Kranti. If you want to just listen to that song, you can just search it, Kranti movie. Okay, so you can just search in the Kranti movie. The same song is there, Chana Zor Garam Babu, Melaya Mazeda, Chana Zor Garam. So that is the song. उन दिनों स्कूल के हर बच्चे को आता था. In those days, every children knew about this song. They used to sing this song. This was so famous song, so everyone was knowing this song. कुछ बच्चे पुड़िया पर तेज मसाला बुरकवाते. See, कुछ बच्चे पुड़िया पर तेज मसाला. Some children need more spicy. So what they does, they just ask the seller to put more masala, the spicy masala on that. So कुछ बच्चे पुड़िया पर means on that, in that packet. In the packet means the Chana Zor Garam which was kept in the packet. In that packet they ask the seller to put tez masala. Tez masala means spicy masala. Burkwata. Burkwata means spread. They make the person to spread more. What they may ask the seller to spread more? The spicy masala. Burkwana means spread. Okay. पूरा गिरजा मैदान घूमने तक यह पुड़िया चलती. And till we complete a round around the Maidan, around the church ground, this pudiya we can have. This packet extends till we complete a round around the church. Okay? Pura girja Maidan घूमने तक, we just make a round of church, and यह पुड़िया चलती. This packet of chana chor garam we can enjoy till we complete a round of church. एक एक चना पापड़ी मुंह में डालने और कदम उठाने में एक खास ही लय रफ्तार थी। एक एक चना पापड़ी मुंह में डालने और कदम उठाने में, see she is saying, Krishna Saubhati is saying that see, when we buy this type of chana, we want the gulp it, right? We take one by one and we used to enjoy that. So here she's saying the same, that she's saying that it was so it was there was a great enjoyment in having this type of chana chur garam and moving around the church. एक एक चना पापड़ी मुंह में डालने और कदम उठाने इन वॉकिंग एक खास ही लय रफ्तार थी. There was a good combination, or it was a great enjoyment to have chana chur garam and to walk around the church. छुटपन में हमने शिमला रिस पर बहुत मजे किए हैं. छुटपन मीन्स इन चाइल्डहुड. छुटपन मीन्स चाइल्डहुड. हमने शिमला रिज मीन्स रेस, शिमला रेस पर बहुत मजे किए हैं. वी हैव एंजॉयड ए लॉट. इन व्हाट वी हैव एंजॉयड? इन शिमला रेस. Like a horse race is there, so we have enjoyed that. Okay, and here again she says that घोड़ों की सवारी की है, and we have ride the horse also. शिमला के हर बच्चे को कभी न कभी यह मौका मिल ही जाता था. And each and every child of that place, of the Shimla, they gets a chance to have a ride on horses. Okay, so छुटपन में हमने शिमला रिस पर बहुत मजे किए हैं. In our childhood we have enjoyed many race in Shimla, and we have enjoyed the horse ride also. Then she says that every child of the Shimla gets a chance to have a horse ride. मौका मिलना means chance. मौका means chance. मिलना they get a chance. कभी ना कभी means once then okay fine. सवारी means ride. Okay, next page. हम जाने क्यों घोड़ों को कुछ कमतर करके समझते, उन पर हंसते थे. ननिहाल के घोड़े खूब हृष्ट पुष्ट और खूबसूरत, उनकी बात तो फिर कभी. से हम जाने क्यों घोड़ों को कुछ कम तर करके समझते थे. We just consider these horses as low grade. Okay, we don't think that the horse which was seen in Shimla was a good quality one. It was a low grade horse. Like that we used to consider the horses there. उन पर हंसते थे, and we make fun of that horses. Okay, ननिहाल के घोड़े खूब हृष्ट-पुष्ट और खूबसूरत. Compared to Shimla horses, this Nanihal's horses were so healthy and beautiful too. उनकी बात फिर कभी. And I will just tell about these horses in another situation. I will explain about these Nanihal horses. Like this, Krishna Saubhati says here. So Krishna Saubhati is saying that the horses which was seen in Shimla was not that much good. Okay, so the children, they used to make fun of this type of horses, and the horses which was seen in Nanihal was so healthy and beautiful too. And she will tell about these type of horses in some other contest, not here. So here she has said about only the horses which was seen in Shimla. And then she continues, शाम को रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे, सामने जाकू का पहाड़, ऊंचा चर्च की घंटियां बजती तो दूर दूर तक उनकी गूंज फैल जाती. लगता इसके संगीत से प्रभु यीशु स्वयं कुछ कह रहे हैं. Then she says about the scene during evening time. Okay, शाम को रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे, and in Shimla, when evening arrives, there they can see colorful balloons. Rang birange means colorful. Gubbara, balloon. So sham ko, during evening, they can see there in the streets different types, different colors of balloons. Samne Jakhu ka pahad, and there Shimla, there's a famous hill, and that name of that hill is Jakhu. There is that hill is famous for the temple too. Okay, there is a Jakhu temple also, and there you can see lot of monkeys coming over there. Okay, so here she says that during evening, there are different colors of balloons were seen, and just opposite to that, there was a hill named Jakhu, Uncha church, and there was a long, there was a big church, and church ki ghandiyan bajti, and when the bell rings there in the church, दूर दूर तक उनकी गूंज फैल जाती. The echo of that bell used to reach for a far distance. लगता इसकी संगीत से प्रभु यीशु स्वयं कुछ कह रहे हैं, and by hearing the sound of the bell, we feels like Lord Jesus is saying something. Okay. So there she has said about the scenery and scenery during the evening time. What all things she has seen during evening in Shimla, she has described there. सामने आकाश पर सूर्यास्त हो रहा है, गुलाबी सुनहरी धारियां नीले आसमान पर फैल रही है. सामने आकाश, now she is saying the same thing. She is saying how the skies were appeared. सामने आकाश पर सूर्यास्त हो रहा है, and just before she said that it was evening time, and now the sun is setting. So सूर्यास्त हो रहा है, it is sun is setting, and गुलाबी सुनहरी धारियां नीले आसमान पर फैल रही है. धारियां means rays, okay, rays of sun. So during sunset, what will be the color of sun rays? It is like gulabi sunhari, rose and golden color. So golden and rose color sun rays are spreaded. Bhail rahi means spread. Where it is spreading on? In sky. Okay, so then the writer says that when she looks at the sky, the sun is setting, and the rose and golden sun rays are spreading all over the sky. दूर दूर फैले पहाड़ों के मुखड़े गहराने लगे, और देखते ही देखते बत्तियां टिमटिमाने लगी. Then she says that when she looks there, she can see the hills which was situated there. It will turn into dark. Okay, the body of the hill turns into dark, means because there is no sun rays, it gets night. So when night comes, this mountain, the hills turn into dark. Mukhde means face. Here pahadon ke mukhde means the face of the hill. It means that the hill itself. Okay, the face of the hill means the hill itself, hill's body. So पहाड़ों के मुखड़े, the hills गहराने लगे, the color of the hills turns into dark in color, and देखते ही देखते, by looking itself, while watching itself, बत्तियां टिमटिमाने लगी. And hills, there will be many shops and houses also. So there, when the night falls, when the darkness falls, they used to lighten the lamps, and वो टिमटिमाने लगे. टिमटिमाने लगे means starts to shine or starts to blink. रिस पर की रौनक और मॉल की दुकानों की चमक भी क्या कहने. एंड रिस पर की रौनक और मॉल की दुकानों की चमक भी क्या कहने. मीन्स दैट ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट प्लेस was there is no word to explain that. स्कैंडल पॉइंट भी भीड़ सी उभरता कोलाहल. And evening time, Scandal Point is a place where two roads gets join. Okay, scandal point की भीड़ से उभरता कोलाहल, and from that scandal point there was a lot of people are they used to come there to visit that place, and there we can hear many noises from the crowd because it is evening time. Everyone goes back to their places, so the noise which comes from them, that also still she remembers. Okay, so here she says about the same thing is said here also, that in the evening she can see how the changes, what changes comes in the sky. Then she says how the hill turns, what the color of how the hill's color turns into darken color. Then she says the lights which was blinking in that hill. Then she says about the beauty of the shops and the place. Then she says that there was a lot of noise during evening time in Scandal Point from the people who just comes for there to see the beauty of that place. So up to there I am stopping here. So just play the video.
शिमला के काफल भी बहुत याद आते हैं, खट्टे मीठे, कुछ एकदम लाल, कुछ गुलाबी, रस भरी कसमल, सोच कर ही मुंह में पानी भर आए। चेस्टनट एक और गजब की चीज, आग पर भूने जाते और फिर छिलके उतार कर मुंह में। चने जोर गरम और अनारदाने का चूर्ण। हाँ, चने जोर गरम की पुड़िया जो तब थी वो अब भी नजर आती है। पुराने कागजों से बनाई हुई इस पुड़िया में निरा हाथ का कमाल है। नीचे से तिरछी लपेटते हुए ऊपर से इतनी चौड़ी कि चने आसानी से हथेली पर पहुंच जाए। एक वक्त था जब फिल्म का गाना चना जोर गरम बाबू मैं लाया मजेदार चना जोर गरम उन दिनों स्कूल के हर बच्चे को आता था। कुछ बच्चे पुड़िया पर तेज मसाला बुरकवाते। पूरा गिरजा मैदान घूमने तक ये पुड़िया जलती। एक एक चना पापड़ी मुंह में डालने और कदम उठाने में एक खास ही लय रफ्तार थी। छुटपन में हमने शिमला रिज पर बहुत मजे किए हैं, घोड़ों की सवारी की है। शिमला के हर बच्चे को कभी ना कभी ये मौका मिल ही जाता था। हम जाने क्यों घोड़ों को कुछ कमतर करके समझते, उन पर हंसते थे। ननिहाल के घोड़े खूब रिष्ट पुष्ट और खूबसूरत, उनकी बात फिर कभी। शाम को रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे, सामने जाखू का पहाड़, ऊंचा चर्च। चर्च की घंटियां बजती तो दूर दूर तक उनकी गूंज फैल जाती। लगता इसके संगीत से प्रभु यीशु स्वयं कुछ कह रहे हैं। सामने आकाश पर सूर्यास्त हो रहा है। गुलाबी सुनहरी धारियां नीले आसमान पर फैल रही हैं। दूर दूर फैले पहाड़ों के मुखड़े गहराने लगे और देखते देखते बत्तियां टिमटिमाने लगी। रिच की रौनक और मॉल की दुकानों की चमक के भी क्या कहने। स्कैंडल पॉइंट की भीड़ से उभरता कोलाहल। सर्वर